Well, let's get to the latest COVID news. And the first national sero-survey conducted by the ICMR has found that 64 lakh adults, or 0.73% of the adult population in India, had been infected with COVID by early May and developed antibodies against it. The survey was conducted between the 11th of May and 4th June, and samples of 28,000 individuals were taken from 70 districts spread across 21 states. The survey also revealed that even in districts which had zero or low number of detected cases of COVID, people were found to be infected. This could be on account of low testing and poor access to testing labs. Well, to talk more about this, let's go across to Akshay. And Akshay, absolutely, shocking figures emerging there from the ICMR Sero survey. This is where people are tested and, they're seen if they have antibodies, and then this is extrapolated for the entire population. So 64 lakh people had antibodies.
Well, yes, Gargi, according to this particular Sero survey that was conducted between 11th of May and 4th of June, then approximately 0.73% of our population had already developed antibodies, and that is a very huge number because no country at that point of time had such a huge spread of COVID-19 across their population. So that shows that what exactly was the trend of COVID-19 in the earlier days, and what we are seeing at this point in time is that the virus spreading out in the rural areas. But the Sero survey proves otherwise, because as far as sample collection is concerned, most of the samples were collected from the rural India, and it shows that 70% of the people who were tested positive in the Sero survey were from rural India. So that is also a very, very strange figure that has come out from the Sero survey. But there is also one more point here. Only 28,000 people were taken as samples as far as this particular Sero survey is concerned, which was relatively very, very small number of samples that were taken. But the result is showing that approximately less than 1% of the population was infected with COVID-19 back then. But that also is a very huge number considering the large population that we have. As far as the age figure is concerned, 18 to 45 is the age group which was mostly infected with the virus as far as this COVID number is concerned. And also there were male adults who were in high exposure jobs who were mostly found tested positive as far as this Sero survey is there.
All right, Akshay, thanks so much for joining us with those details, and the Sero survey finding such a huge number of people with antibodies. Remember, India's current figure for COVID is 44,65,000.